Day 3, and I twice faced the devil. First, when I woke and looked into the mirror, and second, on a walk around Truro Cathedral. As you can see from the horror on my face, I woke with my eyes shut and my face swollen. I had no idea of the cause, but I was given a large dose of antihistamines and I lost half a day being monitored in A&E. Not well enough in the afternoon to continue my coastal adventure, I decided on a short walk around Truro and the cathedral. On the site of the parish church of St Mary, it was built between 1880 and 1910 to a Gothic revival design by John Loughborough Pearson. It is a beautiful cathedral and well worth a visit, but checking my pictures later, I couldn't help seeing this devilish face in the rafters. Day 4, and still not feeling 100%, I made an unplanned visit to nearby Falmouth. I parked the shed on Cliff Road and took a walk along the front to the quiet Castle Beach. Intrigued by the building on the headland, I took a walk up to what is Pendennis Castle, which was built by Henry VIII to defend against invasion in the 1540s. 400 years later, it was still used to protect us during World War II. Before entering, I decided to do the moat walk around the castle. Here I found the sister gun emplacement of the one I was scheduled to see at Molyneux the previous day on the other side of the estuary. By the time I had got back to the entrance, I was suffering and tiring fast, so I made my way back to the shed, the hotel and a very early night in the hope of being back on track the next day. Thank you for watching my travel adventures with the shed. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to see more. I would really appreciate your feedback in the comments and would love to discuss your own secret beaches and coastal walks. Bye for now.